Hey guys, so I was thinking about something, because you know I have some people that have asked me what should I look for in the G80, and that's actually a good question. So I got help from a good friend of mine who already had one. He told me exactly what to look for and what not to worry about. So in case if you're looking into getting a G80 or a G82 and you live in Florida, I would get xdrive non-carbon seats, so you can get the cool seats, okay? And honestly, I will get the automatic because of the traffic. So the ZF 8-speed is one of the better transmissions there is out there, in my opinion. And again, I've had it in my Audi, I had it in my 340, and now I have it in this. So I can tell you from firsthand that transmission is just so good, even on different platforms or different vehicles. But now, if you're looking for a G80 or a G82 and you want the feel of having a fun car, you don't care about racing or doing any type of dig pulls, you just like the spiritual driving, then maybe try out the manual, and you might like that if you don't have a lot of traffic. But if you like to go racing, you live in a really hot state, I recommend non-bucket seats, xdrive automatic, or you could do our base model manual rear wheel drive, but it's very, very cheap. You can save about almost $40,000 if you think about it. For almost $40,000 you can save on a G82, even a G80, getting it rear wheel drive manual with regular seats, not buckets. You can get them within the low 60s. I've seen some in the high 50s. This one right here, I got it close to 90,000 used with 3,800 miles, and I got it. It was on sale. It was being sold for 97,000. I got it for $10,000 less. I put some money down. Obviously, I don't pay a lot of money a month. I mean, compared to my Blackwing, I only pay like another $160 some a month. But this is an amazing option. I got it fully loaded. It has self-driving, has AC seats, the ventilated seats, has every package you can besides track and the carbon ceramics. That's the only thing I don't have on this car. And it's amazing. You can see I still have the wrappers in the freaking emblem. You know, like, if you're looking for a G80, you have to really think about exactly what you want. There's so many color combos. The outside, the interior, you know, it's just so many different colors. So it's so hard to really choose what you want. And I found 4 of them, all 4 exactly how I wanted them. They all sold under me within 24 hours. This one right here, I had no choice than to drop $1,000 on to hold it without seeing the car, without getting the price or anything. I literally told him, here's $1,000, hold the car for me, I am on my way. I drove 3.5 hours. When I got here, well, not here, when I got there in person and I saw the car, I knew that car was it. This car only had 3,800 miles and it's a 2024. So I fell in love with the car. I drove it. I had to get the updated screen. Anything after 2022, it has the updated screen. 2023 and up had the updated screen, which I believe is better. I prefer it for the price. But if you're mainly getting it just to do a full build for racing, I mean, to save the money, I would actually get a 22 or 21. But if you like the interior, if you want both, you want the luxury, you want the looks, and you want the performance, then just get a 23 and up. But yeah, man, if you're looking for a G80, G82, or, you know, and depending on what you're really looking for, I would recommend like searching and jumping on them quick, because they do sell a lot faster than you think. I didn't think so. I was like, oh, it's an expensive car, they don't sell much, and it's a BMW. Bullshit, bro. These things sell like hotcakes. I did 4 in 2 days. They were sold by the next day. The next day they were gone. And a lot of them were getting bought cash from companies and stuff like that, and business owners that, you know, just buy them because they do tax write-offs. These things are going like hotcakes. So just think about it. If you're thinking about it, try to jump on it as soon as you can. It's worth the money and it's worth your time. It's worth the while, man. Trust me, you will not be disappointed on this car. You will not be disappointed. I would do a pull really quick, but it's caught behind me. So I love this car so much. I'm obsessed with this car. All I want to do is drive it. You know, that's, I don't miss manual. I hate to say it, I don't miss manual. I don't miss a V8. You know, I do not miss any of my previous cars. Hands down, not one. Even my SS was one of my favorite cars besides my 340. The 340 I really liked because it was fast. I mean, it really was. It was actually sketchy doing a pull in that car. It spun all the way up. Like over 130, 140 was still spinning on that pure 850. But the Camaro had a special place because I dogged that motherfucker out so bad. And then not once it gave me an actual problem out in at the runs. But again, this car has been so good that I have not missed any car. I do not regret anything that I've done because it's led me to this. If something would happen to this car, I think I will instantly buy another. That's how crazy it is. And that's how much I love this car. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry, guys. Kind of feel like a manual sometimes. But yeah, man, it's an amazing car. I'm getting home right now. I'm gonna upload a little video for you guys. But yeah, if you guys are looking for a G80, I'm not trying to just keep rambling and stuff. I'm just trying to get you guys to understand that these cars are selling like hotcakes. My buddy got the M4 and he was looking and they were selling like this, and they're still selling even with the used. I'm talking about the used car market, not brand new, used car market, because with the tariffs people are buying the used ones and they're getting them. Remember, I got mine for $3,800. This is a MSRP is a $100,000 car, MSRP. And this car was a year old when I bought it, and it was still, they were selling it for $97,000. The reason why I got it for $10,000 off is because they needed to move it off the lot. You know, in Sarasota, there's not a lot of people that drive these kind of cars. There's a lot of trucks and stuff. So they were like, they told me, we're trying to move it. We're willing to give it to you for $87,000. So, you know, I jumped on it. I haven't looked back, you know. It's been amazing. I've been beating on it. I cruise a lot, but I do try to, you know, enjoy it here and there. But again, you guys, you can't go wrong with a G80 or G82. Think about it. Let me know if you're thinking about it. Let me know in the comments. If you have any other questions, let me know. Peace.